and you're going to want to mark your calendar because tomorrow is Biodiversity Day, and the folks from the Discovery Centre in downtown Halifax will be celebrating with a bunch of fun, hands-on activities. And while you're there, you can check out their new Mazes and Brain Games exhibit. So here to tell us more is Ryan Jamieson, the Discovery Centre's Director of Science Education. Good morning, Ryan.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm great. So fun to have you in. I am a big kid at heart. Many of our viewers are. So first of all, what the heck is Biodiversity Day?
Awesome. So biodiversity is kind of all the different forms of life on Earth. It was started by the UN. They recognize that we need to really raise awareness of the different levels of biodiversity, from ecosystems down to the number of species in ecosystems, right down to the genetics that are in those species.
Okay, so we have all kinds of fun hands-on activities tomorrow. Tell us more about them.
We've got tons of hands-on stuff, some of the things I've brought here, some of the things we can only show at the Discovery Centre with our partners from the Institute for Comparative Genomics. We partner with DAL through this microscape program. We're bringing in lab-grade microscopes, looking at real samples, seeing this kind of alien world of microbes under the microscope, blowing them up on 70-inch screens. Dartmouth Ocean Technologies is bringing these samplers in that have gone to the Arctic and Antarctic. It's just going to be an amazing time.
Sounds fantastic. Oh, here we have this cool DNA thing. I love it. Am I allowed to touch that?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I have brought some stuff we can touch.
Okay, great.
This little guy doesn't look like much. It is basically a cup of mud. We harvested some from our garden outside of the Discovery Centre here.
Just
put
hold
it in
there.
here.
Our camera's grabbing it right now.
Yeah.
There you go, Ryan.
So,
okay.
This is the interesting part of it is the stuff that you can't see. You can see this little light. Every once in a while, we'll do a quick flash. I'm not sure if
there it is. It just did it.
Perfect. So that means 80 million little individual bacteria that are smaller than the width of a human hair are actually producing this electricity. So it's like a living battery. So every time they crunch down on some nutrients in the soil, they shed an electron, it goes through this,
and get that little thing.
That's what's powering
Oh my
that
gosh.
thing.
Well, that's what's so neat is like when you're at the Discovery Centre, you can really get in and zoom in closely, speak to people like you about what's going on, or play games that you learn at the same time.
Exactly.
So let's play this.
So say you're a researcher like one of the world-class folks at Microscape or Institute for Comparative Genomics. You're out in the field, you're in an agricultural crop. You want to know what's in there. So you take this eDNA sample, this environmental DNA sample. So let's say you do a bunch of processing. We're going to have real research. 25 researchers are joining us tomorrow to kind of bring this science to life. So you've got a good sample there. So we're going to try to match that DNA marker to one of the things here. So if you
I see. So this is the what do these letters even stand for?
Well, they're the base pairs that are on DNA. So that you're seeing these DNA sequences. You can kind of slide it below, see if you've got a match for this.
DNA sequence. So this is like really just guessing. Is this what everyone would be doing, or is there a
well, we kind of have computer models that can help us match these up. But at its root, it is matching the sequences you get.
It's the bug.
You've got it. You've got it. So you've got aphids, which is bad news for your crops, but maybe we can get some better things in there to control them. So it's a quick way to sample and see what you have in the environment, and it's really important for areas like the Arctic or the Antarctic where it's hard to learn what's in the environment. You can do that.
Well, Ryan, we're out of time, but I know that just quickly we'll mention the Mazes and Puzzles exhibit.
Mazes and Brain Games. That's right. We've got Biodiversity Day, but on all summer is Mazes and Brain Games at the center. We've got life-size mazes you can walk through. Lots of puzzles, illusions, fun things to dig into. I love the life-size maze. Well, Ryan, you're a delight. Thank you so much for coming in. No problem. The Discovery Centre, we put the website on ours so you can find out more information. Bad news is none of us can leave till I solve this Rubik's Cube. So basically, you're going to have to move in. Yeah.